Hi guys, hope you're fitting well. Me and Johnny are going a bit of mixed fishing tonight. We're going to try and get some squid. I've got my light I can try out. Might hit a red dead congarine. We've got lugworm for Dover sole. So yeah, to see how we get on really. The rain stopped at last, the wind's dropped, so try and make a good night of it. Alright guys, look after yourselves, see you soon. Cheers. On the fish. Johnny's on the fish, guys. Johnny's on the fish.
Yeah, I've only got a great big sole.
You haven't, have you?
No.
No. What you got? So that. Oh well done, mate. First fish. First fish. Saved the blank.
We've got a squid.
Johnny's got his first squid. It's a nice size one, isn't it?
Nice size squiddy and a mackerel with red.
Yeah, put it in there.
He's spitting at me.
Just chop on the back of the head.
I've got to chop him. You ready to be chopped, mate? I like a bit of chop suey. Oh, he's spitting ink now. He's having a go.
You don't fucking spit ink.
Eh?
Just chuck it straight in there.
I can't, I've got to unhook it first. That's it.
There you go. Oh, pink lures well. I thought they would.
That's where the squid are, aren't it? And he found a squid.
Little squiddly diddly. Very little squiddly diddly.
Is it a squiddy?
Must have had him on the... Ah, biting me, fucker.
Biting you?
Bit me, yeah.
Now the ink's coming out of it. No, give it a chop.
There you go, guys. Little place. Boom, gone.
Down a little bit.
There you go, guys. I stuck a little, you won't be able to see it, little glow stick on the end in my squid jig. See if that makes a difference. Still fishing, guys. Look at all the fish on the screen there. Got a little secret thing. Little green light. And the fish kicking everywhere now. So, right, see you later. How to get one, guys? Look, a little strappy dude up. Another species. Oh well. Hope you enjoyed that short session, guys. Got squid, mackerel, plaice, scad, and bream, and the good old conger. Cheers, guys.